4 days, 5 months, and 7 years. That's how long our son lived diabetes free. He was diagnosed type 1 in February of 2020. That day was the beginning of a new journey for our 7-year-old, one filled with needles, medical devices, and a newfound obsession with blood sugar levels. That day started a new journey for our family, too. Ask any parent of a child with type 1 diabetes about their day, and they'll talk about worries. Constant worries. Hi, my name's Greg Badros. I'm a T1 dad and the creator of Gluroo. Diabetes impacts the person with diabetes the most for sure, but the supporting cast of parents, teachers, and school nurses, it impacts all of us too. Now, my family is lucky. We have access to good health care, and we're a technical bunch. Before I was a T1 dad, I earned a PhD in computer science and led engineering teams at Google and Facebook. So when diabetes struck my family, my deep tech skills led me to an approach that I like to call the paper logbook. No, I'm actually not kidding. This was easily fastest to coordinate our son's care, but carrying around dead trees wasn't the long-term solution, and neither was using an app made for independent adults. We needed to let our son own his condition and develop good habits. We needed to see everything in one place to support him. Together, we knew we could tackle diabetes. So I started building Gluroo, and the best part is you kind of already know how it works. Gluroo, at its heart, is a group chat application like these others you may already use. On top of basic messaging, we innovated with 5 key ideas. First, Gluroo lets your group, we call it your Glue Crew, record meals, boluses, and all diabetes-related events into the shared messaging log just by texting or with this crazy fast tap interface. The quickest entries are automatic ones, so we integrate with devices and services. Gluroo is the one and only way to follow an Omnipod 5 podder's boluses in real time. Our integration with continuous glucose monitors, or CGMs, shows blood sugar values as context next to the time of each message. Second, we use natural language processing so our friendly kangaroo knows what's going on. Here, Anna responds to her mother with what she's having for dinner, and Gluroo understands the messages. The whole Glue Crew sees the updated carbs and insulin on board on the left of the top header. Third, we provide an intelligent camera for photos logging and barcodes. For example, we can quickly scan a new sensor to record that device to the log. Once that's done, you can report a failed sensor with one click, saving you from a 20-minute phone call. Fourth, Gluroo has a patent-pending alerting system. Imagine you're coming to dinner as Junior starts to go low. With other follow apps, everyone's phone buzzes at the same time, and each must separately quiet their independent alerts. With Gluroo, it's different. The alert first buzzes only the child's phone, with a notification that lets them easily log an intervention such as a Starburst candy. Their message then closes the alert without ever buzzing other phones. Now, if Junior fails to log a corrective action, then and only then does the alert escalate to others based on GPS proximity and other factors. This is a game changer that encourages independence and reduces overall interruptions. Finally, building on our camera functionality, in the summer of 2024 we added one of our most popular features, completely automatic meal identification. After taking a simple photo of any meal or food, seconds later Gluroo provides a description and an estimation of the macronutrients including carbs, protein, fat, fiber, and calories. That information can then be used to better estimate the nuances of the food activation curve to help provide better reminders. For example, a high-protein, high-fat meal tends to cause a secondary blood sugar rise 60 to 90 minutes after the meal, and for many PWDs, that needs to be offset by a follow-on insulin bolus at that time. Gluroo is a platform too. User data is available via a Night Scout compatible API to support Loop and other apps for watch faces, CarPlay, and more. We have a web interface and Gluroo Insights reporting for clinics and other providers. Users love Gluroo, and we've seen exponential growth since making it available in both app stores about 2 years ago. We have over 87,000 users growing fast, spanning over 100 countries worldwide. Our son is thriving with 80% time in range and an A1C of 5.7. With Gluroo, we imagine a world where people may have diabetes, but diabetes does not have them. Thank you.